Welcome back to Tech Ostrich, the only tech channel that might make you laugh as much as your smart devices laugh at you. Today, we're diving into the world of IoT, where everything is connected, and privacy is just a cute concept. Buckle up as we explore why sometimes just because you can make something smart doesn't mean you should. It's the almighty smart fridge, your new overlord. The smart fridge. A marvel of modern tech that tells you everything you don't want to know, like how many times you've opened it searching for purpose or snacks. It's equipped with cameras to show you the yogurt you forgot about 3 weeks ago, and can now order groceries on your behalf because clearly you can't be trusted. Not only does it keep your food cold, but it also loves to remind you that your vegetable drawer is an untouched museum of greens. It's practically your new life coach, tracking, managing, and probably judging every meal. Just remember, if your fridge starts suggesting low-carb recipes, it's not your friend. It's your nutritionist overlord. Alexa, brew my coffee. When gadgets rule the morning, rise and shine. Or better yet, let Alexa do it for you. In today's world, who has the energy to manually brew coffee when you can gently whisper sweet demands into the air? Alexa, brew my coffee. And just like that, your personal barista, minus the hipster beard, springs into action. But it's not just about coffee. It's about how we've outsourced our morning routines to the cloud. From rolling up your blinds to tuning into your favorite morning jam, these gadgets ensure you barely lift a finger before noon. Isn't technology wonderful? Or are we just training for the day when pressing buttons becomes an Olympic sport? Fitness trackers. They know when you're cheating. Welcome to the era of the all-seeing fitness tracker, your new pocket-sized drill sergeant. It counts every step you take, every move you make, even when you're just reaching for more chips. Oh, you thought that stroll to the fridge counted as a lap? Think again. These little wrist tyrants are here to remind you that taking the stairs means more than just stepping up to a new Netflix series. And don't try to fool it by shaking your arm from the comfort of your couch. It's on to your games. Remember, your fitness tracker knows more about your activity level than you do, and it's not afraid to sink the truth. The bathroom spy, smart mirrors and TMI. Enter the bathroom, where your smart mirror awaits to spill the beans. Or should we say, reflect the harsh truths about your morning face. Gone are the days of blissful ignorance. Now, your mirror not only tells you the time but also the brutal facts about your wrinkles and sleep deprivation. It suggests skincare routines with the enthusiasm of an overzealous beautician, and sometimes shares your complexion stats with your phone, because why not? Let's face it. If your mirror starts recommending anti-aging cream more frequently, it might just be plotting a skincare intervention. Baby monitors. Paranoid parenting gone digital. Welcome to the age of high-tech helicopter parenting, courtesy of your friendly neighborhood baby monitor. Once a simple audio device, today's baby monitors come equipped with night vision, movement sensors, and even AI to analyze your baby's sleep patterns. Because nothing says relaxing night like analyzing graphs about your infant's REM cycle at 3 a.m. And let's not forget the two-way audio feature, because it's never too early to start negotiating with your toddler about bedtime. It's the perfect tool for parents who enjoy a little extra dose of anxiety with their nightly surveillance. Smart TVs. They probably watch you more than you watch them. Settle in for your nightly binge watch, but remember, while you're watching your favorite series, your smart TV might just be watching you back. These intelligent screens know your viewing habits better than your closest friends and are always eager to recommend the next big show, especially if it keeps you glued to the couch. And as you debate whether to watch another episode or go to bed, remember that your smart TV might already be selling your sleepless habits to the highest bidder. It's not paranoia if your television pauses your show when you leave the room, right? Welcome to the golden age of viewing, where you're never really alone. Tomorrow's tech failures today. Ridiculous smart devices we don't need. Ever wondered if there's a limit to what should be smart? Welcome to our segment, Tomorrow's Tech Failures Today, where we explore gadgets that make you question everything. From smart toothbrushes that critique your brushing technique, to internet-connected toasters that burn motivational quotes into your bread. Because who doesn't need a pep talk at breakfast? Let's not overlook the Wi-Fi-enabled water bottle that reminds you to hydrate every 5 minutes. It's the golden age of why meets why not, where every unnecessary invention finds its 15 minutes of fame in the smart device spotlight. Thanks for sticking around and not being outsmarted by your toaster today. If you enjoyed our stroll through the IoT wonderland, give us a thumbs up, or don't. Your smart fridge might just do it for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights, and remember, keep your gadgets close but your passwords closer. Catch you in the next one, where we decode more tech mysteries, Tech Ostrich style.